Hey guys, if you're shopping for knives and gear, make sure you check out the description of the video you're watching right now for links to some great online retailers. There's also individual links for knives that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to share with you guys. As per usual, no idea what's in here, but we're going to find out together. Thanks so much to my generous patrons for supporting me right now. If you'd like to get your hands on some cool stickers and other benefits, there's of course a link right down in the description. You're supporting me in the world to me, and please follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, here we go. Precision slice with a freshly sharpened, well, I mean, somewhat freshly sharpened scalpel. I did it a while ago. But still, you know, I mean, it's good enough. It'll get in there, so can't complain. There we go, filler dialogue. Okay, here we go. What do we have? We have quite a few. Actually, there's a CJRB in here. Put that right there. Big box right here. Artisan Cutlery. Oh, wait. This might actually be directly from Artisan. So let's open the CJRB first. We'll know as soon as I get in here. Yeah, this is, hang on a sec. I think I know what this is. Yeah, is this, okay, this is super familiar. God, I don't want to guess and be wrong. Because we have the thing on it. I will make sure that this is linked, or that information on this is linked, and it probably also says in the title. I think I know who designed this, but I don't want to get it wrong. So we'll wait until after I'm done recording, and then the information will be provided either in the title or the down below. Pretty cool though. I'm always a big fan of the Ghost or the Jade scales. This is very easy to manipulate. It's a smaller one. Thumb stud's in a perfect position, and the front flipper actually is pretty easy to manipulate too. I wear an XL glove, so this is a teeny tiny knife. For me, it's like a 2.5 position, right? You know, for people who like smaller knives, or if you live in an area where you know you need to be careful about blade length, this is going to be this is something that's going to make you guys really happy. And as is per usual with CJRB knives, I don't think this is an expensive knife. I wonder what the steel is on this guy. Let's say, oh, this is in the new AR RPM 9. That's cool. So this is, I mean, I don't want to actually still have the composition to this knife right here. And I think this is right, except for I wrote magnesium. That's not correct. It's I forget the thing. But anyways, we'll talk about that in the review. That's cool. That's in their new. That's in CJRB's new proprietary, or it's actually Artisan Cutlery's new proprietary steel. So that's neat. That's the second knife that I've ever handled that is in that steel. And then the Artisan Cutlery is the fancy tin. Very cool. I'm 99% sure that this was sent directly by Artisan. What do we have here? Oh, we got a fancy one here. Hang on. That is definitely titanium. Ooh, boy. Okay. Ready? Yeah, you can do. Wow. Wow. We definitely have an interesting blade grind here. Very cool. What's the steel on this guy? S35VN, titanium frame lock, and yeah, nice and smooth. Absolutely. You can definitely do the reverse flick. Love the forward choil on this guy, and I love the little harpoon notch. I'm a big fan of that. Yeah, ergonomically, this is nice. We've got a swoop clip. Great. And we have contoured titanium. Nice monochromatic look. Very wild, very different blade shape. If I can link this, I will. I think these two are super new. So I don't know. You might be able to go to Artisan Cutlery's website and get more information on this. I can't promise that they're available, but yeah, a lot of times if it's a brand new model, that's the case. Very cool. Very cool. Very interesting knives. Can't wait to give my thoughts on these. I think that's pretty much all I can say at the moment. This is just an unboxing, not a full review, so you'll get the full review here in a few, maybe just a couple of weeks. But yeah, be sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. I will list Artisan Cutlery and CJRB knives right down in the description so you can check out what else they actually have available right now, if not these guys, right? In any case, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.